How dare you? I told you not to do that.
What did it do?
I told you I will kill you if you do that.
Notion, are you having a hard time breathing? No? Thanks for the manga.
Wait a minute. As Notion couldn't answer Marwan's question, let me answer it. Yes, Notion did have a hard time breathing, and that is because she couldn't respire.
So how actually the respiration occurs?
Since I couldn't breathe well, let's go to Zahid sir and ask him how respiration actually occurs.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir,
Yes?
we had a question.
Which is?
I couldn't breathe well, so how does it actually work?
Okay, that's a good question. As you guys do know, that to move, to work, and to do our daily activity, daily work, we need oxygen. And that oxygen comes from the respiration. Respiration works in every living organisms. How to prove it? Let's do an experiment in the lab to find out how living organisms do carry out the respiration and produces carbon dioxide. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
To begin with, we prepare a mixture of yeast, sugar, and some warm water to create the ideal conditions for respiration to take place.
The sugar acts as a source of food for the yeast, while the warm water helps it become active and starts respiring.
So as Notion already mentioned that there is warm water inside it, so now we'll be putting some yeast and sugar to perform out the experiment. Also, we'll have to take some lime water.
As we connect tube to the flask containing the lime water in this solution, so the gas produced can be collected in the lime water, and after a few minutes there will be some cloudy appearance that will prove that the respiration is occurring.
As respiration occurs, produce carbon dioxide and pass through lime water.
As carbon dioxide is produced, we can notice some carbon dioxide bubbles inside the delivery tube. The lime water turns milky, which provides a clear evidence that the gas produced during respiration is carbon dioxide.
From this observation, we can see that yeast in lime water breaks down sugar, which releases energy and also creates carbon dioxide as byproduct.
This simple experiment demonstrates one of the most important process that all organisms carries out, which is respiration. This simple experiment demonstrates one of the most important biological process, which is continuously being carried out by organisms to produce energy needed for life.
Through this experiment, we have seen a direct evidence of respiration in action that helps us to understand how living organisms obtain energy to function and survive. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.
লন্ডন স্কুল অফ ইংলিশ জীবনের জন্য শিক্ষা।